Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use green screen on TikTok. Now, first things first, I want you to tap and open your TikTok app, and from here, we're going to tap this plus sign here, and you will be seeing here this kind of thing. Now, instead of photo, we're going to click this here. It's 15 seconds, and then we're going to click the effects. Okay, after clicking the effects, we're going to then go ahead and click this one here. In order for us to add a green screen, we're going to scroll this until we see green screen. There you go. And then we're going to click this one here. Basically, this is what you're going to be using. If you want to add a photo in the background, you can click this one here in order for you to search for a photo. Say, for example, this one. I'm going to try to choose this one. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to try to pinch my face in order for it to be a bit smaller. Okay, and I can put this anywhere I want. Say, for example, I want to put it there. Ooh, kind of like I'm in heaven here. Anyway, so basically this is what is happening. Again, this green screen is for photos. Now, there's actually for videos as well. We're just going to close this one. We're going to go back, click effects once again, and we're going to find the video. So the second option is for video. I'm going to tap on it. There you go. And then you should see here a plus sign. I want you to go ahead and tap on that, and we're going to search for something. Okay, say for example, this video here. I'm going to click next. All right, there you go. Now, as you can see, it's kind of like not moving. However, the moment I press this one, it should start moving. All right, so it's recording right now and the video is now moving. Congratulations, everybody. That is how you're going to use a green screen on TikTok.